Did you know your glassware could be costing you, well, thousands of dollars every year? Most owners overlook this detail, but the right choice can save you money, improve guest experience, and even boost your bottom line. Stay tuned because I'm breaking down exactly how to make your glassware work for you, not against you. Hey there, Restaurant Pro. This is Dave Scott Peters, restaurant expert, coach, and creator of the Restaurant Prosperity Formula. Today, we're going to talk about how to increase your profits and guest experience by choosing the right glassware. You might not think much about your restaurant's glassware, but trust me, it could be one of the biggest hidden drains on your profit. The good news is, choosing the right glassware doesn't just save you money, it can elevate your restaurant's entire dining experience. Let me show you how. First, let's talk about durability. In a busy restaurant, glassware takes a beating. Between clumsy hands, hectic dishwashing cycles, and the occasional mishap at the bar, cheap glassware doesn't stand a chance. Sure, it might seem cost-effective to buy those $2 wine glasses in bulk, but when you're replacing those glasses every month, the cost can add up. Instead, investing in durable commercial-grade glassware, yes, the kind that costs a bit more up front, can save you thousands in the long run. Fewer replacements means fewer headaches and a lot more money staying in your pocket. But durability is only a part of the equation. Let's talk versatility. Every restaurant has limited storage space. So why clutter your shelves with dozens of specialized glassware when a few multi-purpose options can do the job? Now, special note here, if I'm a high-end cocktail bar, I'm going to have a whole bunch of different glassware. If I'm a high-end steakhouse, I'm going to make sure I have wine glasses that match the exact wine that's being poured. But for most people, a sleek, all-purpose wine glass, for example, can handle reds, whites, and even cocktails beautifully. Not only does this simplify your inventory, but it also means fewer purchases overall, saving you both time and money. And don't underestimate the power of presentation. Glassware is one of the first things your guests notice when their drinks arrive. A martini in a flimsy scratch glass, not impressive. The same martini in a gorgeous crystal clear glass? That's the kind of detail that makes guests snap photos and post them online. When your glassware enhances the visual appeal of your drinks, it creates a sense of value that justifies a premium price. Here's a quick exercise. Think about your glassware inventory. How much of it is chipped, mismatched, or just plain underwhelming? Every time a guest drinks from a glass that doesn't feel great in their hands or looks a little worse for the wear, it subtly impacts their perception of your restaurant. On the flip side, high-quality glassware reinforces the idea that your establishment cares about every detail. Let's crunch some numbers. Say you invest in a high-quality glass that costs $5 each, and they last a full year. Compare that to the $2 glass that breaks or chips every month. Over 12 months, those cheap glasses actually cost you more, and that's without factoring in frustration of constantly replacing those glasses and, well, the hit on your brand image. So, what's the takeaway here? Treat your glassware like an investment, not an afterthought. The right choice can save you money, improve your guest experience, and boost your brand's reputation. Take a moment today and assess your glassware. Is it doing its job, or is it costing you more than you realize? If you've got a favorite glass brand, right? Favorite glassware brand, or a tip for keeping costs down, share it in the comments. I'd love to hear what's working for you. Here's to smarter choices and bigger savings. Cheers. Be sure to join me live every Friday at 8 a.m. Pacific time on YouTube, travel schedule permitting, where I'll get you pumped about the upcoming weekend, get you excited about crushing your goals and finding the motivation to be best you possible. Plus, I'll answer your burning questions live.